Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about one of the best moves that you're probably not doing, and that's a shame because this is just a feel-good movement and it's good for you. It's good for your brain. It's just good for you. Anyway, it's the infinity circle, and on past videos I have talked about this movement as being the fountain of youth because it's just that good, but it feels good. So today I want to talk to you about doing the infinity circles in different places. Like you can do them low, or you can do them high, or you can do them really high, and this feels amazing right here. The other thing you can do is do them in different vectors. So I can rotate, and I can draw infinity circles here, and I can draw them over here. And this is just something you have to experience it. So you can just look at me and like, yeah, that's weird, I'm not doing that. And there's no way that can be good for you. Or you can do it, and you can do it a lot, and you can discover that, hey, maybe that's pretty good for me because I feel pretty good doing it. And I don't know, good things are happening. Anyway, you want to do it in both directions. So like this is one way. You're going to have one way that feels normal, and then you're going to have another way that feels less than normal, which is normal to feel less than normal going the other way. But again, you can do these. Oh my goodness. This here, this is the one that you're gonna wanna try. Anyway, give that a shot. Turn up the volume on your Fountain of Youth movement with doing your infinity circles in different places, not just out in front. And if you want to, you can just weave them all over the place. All right, guys, that's it for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.